Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. In this video, we will address a common issue with the Lenovo Legion 5, specifically when it fails to power on due to a PCH short circuit. First, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any static damage to the components. Begin by turning off the laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. Remove the battery if possible, as this will help prevent any electrical issues while you work. Next, locate the screws on the back panel of the laptop. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove all screws and set them aside in a safe place. Once the screws are removed, gently pry open the back panel using a flathead screwdriver. Be cautious not to damage the clips that hold the panel in place. With the back panel removed, you will have access to the internal components of the laptop. Now locate the PCH, or Platform Controller Hub. This component is crucial for the laptop's functionality. Inspect it for any visible signs of damage or burnt areas. If you notice any debris or dust, use a can of compressed air to clean the area thoroughly. This is essential as dust can cause overheating and further issues. If you suspect a short circuit, you will need to test the voltage levels. Using a multimeter, check the 3V line. If you find that it is shorted, this indicates a problem that needs addressing. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, which can save you time and effort. Next, if you are comfortable proceeding, you may want to replace the PCH. This involves desoldering the old component and soldering in a new one. Ensure you have the right soldering tools and a steady hand for this delicate task. If you're unsure about this process, consider our collection and delivery at your home service, which makes it easy to get your laptop repaired without any hassle. After replacing the PCH, reassemble the laptop by reversing the steps taken earlier. Replace the back panel and secure it with the screws you removed. Make sure everything is tightly fitted to avoid any rattling or loose components. Before powering on the laptop, double-check all connections and ensure that no tools are left inside the casing. Once you are confident everything is in place, reconnect the battery and power source. Press the power button and see if the laptop turns on. If the laptop still does not power on, it may be time to seek professional help. We provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs involved before any work is done. This way, you can make an informed decision without any surprises. In summary, troubleshooting a Lenovo Legion 5 that won't turn on due to a PCH short circuit involves careful disassembly, inspection, and potentially replacing the PCH. Always prioritize safety and consider professional assistance if needed. Remember, no calls, no travel. We make it easy for you to get your device back in working order. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.